Okay, so this video is to help you with the preparation for lab number 3, Kirchhoff's laws. And this will be the circuit that you'll be using. It's got a voltage source on either side. It's got a network of 5 resistors in the middle. I'm going to call this node A. I'm going to call this node B. I'm going to call this my reference node, particularly because the reference node has many more connectors than any of the rest of them do. So nodal analysis is pretty straightforward in this case. So we do KCL at A, and KCL at A says that VA minus V1 over R1 is plus VA over R2 plus VA minus VB over R3 is equal to 0. KCL at B tells us that VB minus VA over R3 plus VB over R4 plus VB minus V2 over R5 is equal to 0. You now have 2 equations, and you have 2 unknowns. V1 is known to you, V2 is known to you. In this particular case, I believe this is going to be 12 volts, and this is going to be 6 volts, but it doesn't really matter what the numbers are. Each of those values of R1, R2, R3, R4, and R5 will be given to you, and so the only 2 unknowns are VA and VB. And so we have 2 equations and 2 unknowns. You should be able to solve those. So that's the setup for the pre-lab. You can plug the numbers into these 2 equations, solve for VA, VB, and you should be good to go. Thanks. See you next week.